Hello dear students, myself Sapna Plara. As we have started determiners and today we will take the first topic of determiners, that is article. As you know that articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific, like an owl, a parrot, the earth, where we have to use a and an, and the where we have to use the, that we will see later on. So this is the definition of article. Now types of articles. There are two types of article: indefinite article and indefinite article. As the name suggests, we have to use a and an. Definite article with we have to use the. Now one by one we will see the type of articles also. First of all, indefinite article. They are used when talk about something that is not specifically known to the person we are talking to with. When we don't know particularly the person, when we don't know about the person, as the name suggests, indefinite. That means that person or thing is known to us. There we have to use indefinite articles. And what we have to use in indefinite article, that is a and an. A and an are used before nouns that introduce something or someone we have not mentioned before. Like we don't know about the person or thing, we have to introduce them. There we have to use a or an. Clear? When the person or thing is not known to us, when we have to introduce them, there we have to use indefinite articles. For example, I saw an accident this morning outside my school. So that accident was not known to me. So there we have to use an accident in place of the accident. Why we have used an in place of a, that we will see later on. First of all, we will do only the definition. Next is definite article, and in it we have to use the. We use the when you know that the listener knows or can understand what particular person or thing we are talking about. When we know what particular person or thing we are talking about, then in that case we have to use definite. Means definitely that person or thing is known to us, or we know about him or that thing. There we have to use definite article. In definite article, what we have to use? The. Like the North Pole, the equator. Why we have used the different type of pronunciation here? Most of the students don't know where we have to use the pronunciation like the and where we have to use the. The we have to use where? When the next letter is a consonant. Here after the first letter is N. N is a consonant sound. So here we have to use the. In the next one, the equator. Why we have used the? Because after that the first letter is E. It is a vowel sound. So we have to use the there. Many of you don't know the correct pronunciation, where we have to use the and where we have to use the. Remember this thing. Any of the person can ask about it. When to use a or an? That is very important, because in your grammar, that is gap filling, editing or omission, this type of question can easily asked. It can be asked like in the paragraph they have used an, but you have to supposed to use only a. You must know where we have to use a and where we have to use an. A is used when the noun that follows begin with a consonant sound. Generally, students go for the consonant letter. They are not going for the consonant sound. But A or N, we have to check the sound of consonant vowel in place of the letter. What is the sound there? That is important in place of what is the letter we have to use there. Remember this thing. Sound matters, not the letter. Like a book, B, bo. So it is a sound of a consonant. That's why we have used O. You know very well, A or N means showing a singular noun. A pen. Again, the sound is po. So again, it is a consonant sound. That's why we have used O. A uniform. Remember, now you have to listen carefully. Why we have used A in place of N? The sound is U, not U. U is not a vowel sound. The proper vowel sound is U. If it is sound like uniform, then we have to use N. But it is sound like uniform. It is combination of Y and U. And the first sound is Y. It is a consonant. That's why we have used O here. Remember why we have used? Because the sound is Y plus U. The first letter sound is Y plus U, and Y is a consonant. That's why we have used O. That's why I'm telling sound matters, not letters. N is used when the noun that follows begins with a vowel sound. Like an elephant, the first sound is O. That's why we have used an elephant. An American, again the sound is O. That's why we have used an American. Next, MBA. What is the first sound? That is M. O plus M. That is A plus M. Sound. I'm talking about sound, not the letter. The sound is O plus M. And the first sound is O. That's why O is a vowel sound, and with vowel sound what we have to use? N. Again I'm telling, when the sound is of vowel, vowel means A, E, I, O, U, then we have to use N. If the sound is consonant, what is consonant? Except A, E, I, O, U, all other letters are called consonant. So if the sound is like A, O, E, U, that is where there we have to use N. In this case, the first letter sound is A plus M, and the first sound is A. That's why we have used N. Now you will also do practices of A or N. The remaining, the uses of the, and where we have not to use any article, then we'll talk about in our next video. Till then, keep practicing and write down these uses and definition in your notebook. I will give you some exercises also of articles. Thank you.